What's up, everyone? I'll try to get you in here for some shots, probably time lapse. This is my old iPod Touch, so we'll see how this goes. I already did cut in up here. I'm painting backwards. So I rolled the walls first because, you know, obviously it takes longer to dry. And then I'll get you some shots up here of me cutting in. And then there won't be much to see after that as far as, because I'll be crawling up in the attic, changing that. And then also trying to determine the where and how I'm going to cut the hole over here. I should probably cut the hole before I get up there. I'll get another time lapse on me cutting it. Okay, did the lighting off camera, pretty similar to the other ones. And that one on the end, I'm gonna have to get some kind of recess for it or something. Because obviously it's not tight enough to the wall, and it has no bracket in there to begin with. This one doesn't have a bracket, but it is closer to a stud. So that's kind of what is holding it up. Ooh, look at that. See that? It refocuses. Oop. Right, yeah. Yeah, that's a raised nail. Which, it's funny, you can barely even see it unless the camera's on it. Yep. First coat's all done. I'm gonna crawl up in the attic. And after I eat my lunch. What's up, everyone? We are back here. It's Monday. I don't know how many pictures I'll actually get. Let me flip a video of what I will get. Yeah, I'm just... You gotta be killing me. Killing me. Anyway, I don't know how much video I'll get. I had a doctor's appointment today. So... hopefully, we'll get all this floor cleaned up as much as possible, wiped down, and get the toilet out of the room or something, or into the tub, and then we'll be laying flooring in here. So that's what it is today, Monday, baby. I'm doing this flooring, and this is the pattern I'm going with. It's almost equal parts on each side. I can get a middle piece in there. And then instead of doing the same pattern, I'm going to stagger it, because I don't like when people do like H patterns. You're not supposed to anyway. So the second one will be staggered. So instead of coming out this far, it'll probably come out the length, the without cutting one. That will be quite, so it'll be quite busy in here until I get the fixtures and stuff in here. And this is what I'm using to cut it. And again, this is the easiest way I can think to do it. I'm gonna measure this again because I don't do flooring every single day, and you don't want to waste your time. Yeah, we're good. So that's the thing, is probably should have started with that pattern, but I like this and I'm gonna go with it. So Just want to show you guys, this is all battery powered. Saves a lot of time. I could just use a sliding compound miter saw, but this is the easiest way to do it. So this is the pattern that I went with. You can see these are like 17 or 17 and a half. So then you got one full piece. It's like 35. So that's 48. Sorry, that's 48. It's like 35 or something. I can't remember. 17 and a half, 17 and a half, or 17. And then the middle one's a full piece. And then you got a full piece down here, 48. And then the 35 over here. And again on the other side, full piece, 35. I know there's easier ways to do this, but then you can see I don't have an H pattern. It's not a ladder, you know. So yeah, it turned out pretty well, except for this is a different product than the 3 extra pieces. You see, this has no built-in underlayment on it, and the lip is different. Or I would attempt to use it, but I'm not going to piece this together. I need literally like 2 more pieces, I believe. Because from here to here is 14, these are 16. So then what I'll have to do is I'll have to rip, actually, I'll need more than 2 pieces, but that's fine because there's only so many in a box anyways. I think there might be 6 in a box. Okay, then of course I'm gonna have to get a transition strip, but for now I'm gonna sweep in here. I'm actually gonna move these cabinets in here and see what they look like. Okay, and we're back. So, the basin will actually be in the middle. That's why we're using these snappy drains. But yeah, and then the other one, since there's like almost pocket holes in here, and there's already holes for these over here, she wants the door flipped around. This is actually stained wood, so I'm going to get a little oak dowel. You just flip the door over and then put the drawers on the opposite side. So if I line the holes up right, everything should line up and everything should be fine. There's not a whole lot. And these drawers are, you know, not super heavy duty or anything, but yeah. Okay guys, we are back. After a pretty productive day yesterday, and then realizing, if I can flip, and realizing we needed, you know, like 3 more pieces. So I kept some of the pieces that are usable just in case. And the place, Floor & Decor, let me buy 3 of them as samples, so that saved quite a bit of money. I made a mistake yesterday. I cut it out back here. And I'm going to have to just take all this flooring out so I can get this over to about here. But not, it doesn't have to be quite there. It's because when I put the vent diffuser on, that corner shows. So, you know, here we go. Try to get you some shots. I have a problem with charging the iPod Touch. That's what I'm using for time lapse. So, be back in a minute. Do a strategic advantage. Not a cross cut, but a length cut. I think you can do, we can do I don't know, it's probably up to 14 inches, I don't know. This is 11 and something. So we'll try to get you a shot. Try to move this. Either way, my okay, this iPod Touch needs charged. So when I go around here to clean up, sweep up, try to get anything I can out of here. Just anything I don't need. One spot on the ceiling in there I want to touch up. And around here I've got some tape up there. I'm going to take that off. Put a bead of caulking all the way around. And I've got the trim at home, and I just picked up they changed the name of it, Simple Solution, whatever. It's like waterproof, quarter round for in front. I wish I would have noticed the size of that first, because I bought different size quarter round, which is fine, it doesn't really matter. Yeah, it won't really matter. It's all getting painted what is it called? Irish cream, Sherwin-Williams color. This is biscuit on the walls here, so yep. Had to take about 3/8 off the bottom of the door. I think they'll give me the clearance on the transition strip. I really hope. But yeah. So, more things popping up. There's a little 2 pieces on the inside of close to where the tub meets the drywall that I need to go back over. And today we are 2 weeks in, exactly. But that's only working Monday through Friday. And this is Wednesday. And I started on Wednesday, but I didn't really do anything that Wednesday, if that makes any sense. Other than tear out stuff and demo everything. I got my painted trim boards over there. Ready to go, but I need to finish that drywall. Okay, quick little update, because I won't be able to get too much of the actual work footage today, but kind of this is where I'm at. Door fits. Transition strips in. That's in. But I need to mud these 2 corners, which I should have done already. And then cut some of these pieces, and but I'll get you some video after some of the work's done. Everybody, here's where we're at. Still haven't done that bead of caulking, but I figured. Got that side finished. Just gonna finish up the trim. The other cabinet will go here. So I'm gonna bring it in here so I can get my measurements, at least for this side. But then I'll have to take it back out to install everything, but that's fine. So, yeah. Quick little update. Gotta get my van back. I got not a rental, but a loaner. So I can put all this stuff back away, especially the stuff I'm not using. It's just in my way. So I think got about another 2 days here, and I think we'll be done. I'll get you some more shots then. Okay.